Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to create a new virtual machine for Windows 11. So just click to create a Windows 11 virtual machine. Launch the VMware Workstation player. Now click on this. Select create a new virtual machine in the main window. The new virtual machine is started. The new virtual machine wizard starts. Select typical, click on next, select installer, disk image ISO option, click browse and locate your Windows 11 ISO file. And click on the next, select next, the select guest system, the select guest operating system window loads, select Microsoft Windows in the guest operating system section, pick Windows 10 and later x64 from the drop down list. Select the next, type the name, type the name of the virtual machine windows appear. The example VM is named as Windows 11. Here, click the browse, click browse to choose the location of the VM or skip the step to use the tool's default location. Select next. The specify the disk capacity window appears. Choose the maximum disk size in gigabits. Gigabits. Gigabytes. Assign at least 60 gigabytes to Windows 11 VM. Select the select select virtual disk as a single file option. Select the next. In the ready to create virtual machine window, you can see all the VM settings. And 14, select the finish to create your VM, create your VM, Windows 11 VM. Select to finish. Now you can see the VM is created now. To modify and start Windows 11 virtual machine, since the virtual machine was created with Windows 10 or later x64 setting, edit the VM to meet Windows 11 minimum requirements. Select VM in the list of the left side of the Windows. Edit the virtual machine. Select Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Here I have selected the VM, the virtual machine setting below. Open the menu of the left side contain the VM virtual devices. Select the device you want to adjust. Change the device setting in the section of the right side of the window. To satisfy Windows 11 requirement, set as at least 4 GB of set as at least 4 GB RAM here and 2 processor core. At least 2 processor core. Now you can see the here so many option: hard disk space, CD drive, network adapters, USB controller, sound card, printer, display. You can choose and select and adjust all the settings. Select the device you want to adjust. Now you can click on the OK. Here I changes the 4 GB RAM and OK. Now friends, you can see the virtual machine is created. The new virtual machine is created. In the next video, we will learn how to install Windows 11 on VMware. So thank you for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and do the comments. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.